doesn't matter what time of the day we pass by this way, it's always heavy traffic. I guess it's there's a construction going on maybe. This is before going up the Burlington Skyway. And right now it's already 10:20 at night.